All right, boys and girls, for today's warm-up, we're going to review all the tricky words that we have learned so far this year. I thought it would be a little fun, or it might be fun, to also kind of have the words here, but we're going to play a little game where I tell you the row and the column, and then we find the word and read it. So you're going to be learning about rows and columns this year, so I thought, why not have a little bit of fun with it? So you'll notice up here I have the word column. A column goes down. So everything here is in a column, right? They're stacked on top of each other. So when you see a column, it's almost like a pillar. It goes straight up and down. A row goes across. So you'll see my cursor, it's going across. It's kind of like when you go to the movie theaters, you sit in a row. It's seats that go across. So if I call out a column, for example, column 2, I'm going to come over here to column 2, and it could be any of these. There's words behind these cards. Any of these words. So you'd have to listen for that first one. So it's column 2. And if I said row 1, right? So we'd say row 1, column 2. Well, guess what? This is in row 1 in column 2. So we would then look at this word. So let's see what it is. Ready? And once we find that word, we have to read it. What's that word? Was. Yes, was is the tricky word. So we'll do it together. I just thought it would be fun. And you'll be learning more about rows and columns, so maybe this will help you. And it'll help you remember it when we learn it in math. Okay, so ready to go? All right, let's see. I'm going to start with row 6. Oh, here's all my rows. Row 6, column 3. So here's row 6. It could be any of these words here, but I also notice column 3. So where those two intersect, column 3, row 6, it's this word right here. You ready for your word? What's that word? Once. Very good. All right, ready? Row 4. Yes, right here is row 4, column 1. So if this is row 4 and we see column 1 right here, it would be where those two intersect or those two cross. Let's see what our word is. Yes, we. So far we have the word was, once, we. Very good. Here's our next one. Row 1, column 1. Who can find it? Row 1, column 1. Yes, if you said this first one right here, you're correct. What word is that? She. Very good. She, we, was, once. Good. How about row 2, column 2? So row 2, column 2. It's this one right here. Of. Very good. Of. She, we, was, of, once. Good. How about row 5? Good. If you're looking down here, you're correct. Row 5, column 3. So here's row 5, here's column 3. That's where the two meet. See what our word is. What word is that? From. Very good. How about row 3, column 3? Okay, if you went to row 3, then column 3, it's this one right here. Yes, that's the tricky word, where. Very good. How about row 1, column 4? Row 1, column 4, right here. Let's see what our word is. Good, that's the word one. Very nice. Okay, let's see what we have. How about row 3, column 2? Good, if you went to row 3, column 2, you get right here. Ready for your word? A or a. Very good. Next, row 5, column 1. So if we came across, here's all of them in row 5, column 1. Be right here. You ready for your word? B. Very good. Let's review what we have so far. We'll go down the columns. She, we, be, was, of, where, from, once, one. Okay, so let's see if we can figure out which one this is. What row is it in? Row 1, column 3. Very good. Tricky word 2. Very good. How about this one? Which row? Row 6, column 1. Very good. What's the word? Me. Very good. How about this one? Row 4, column 3. Very good. Tricky word Y. Very nice. How about this one? Row 2, column 1. The. Very nice. How about this one? Row 5, column 2. The word is down. The opposite of up is down. Good. How about this one? Row 2, column 3. Question word what? Very nice. What? How about this one? Row 6, column 2. Tricky word how. Very good. Another question word. How about this one? Row 3, column 1. He. Very good. Last but certainly not least is row 4, column 2. And we have the word do. Okay, let's go through each of the columns. We'll go down the columns, okay? Let's read these. She, the, he, we, be, me. Column 2, was, of, a or do, down, how. Column 3, to, what, where, why, from, once, and column 4 has the word one. Now what you could do is you can pause this video and you can play this game by yourself, or you can ask your parents to play with you, and you can ask each other questions. You can make cards and practice your tricky words on your own. Great job today.